चीज़ जो सबको पसंद आई वो था कि तब्बू ना ऐसे हाथ रख देती है उसके हाथ के, इट वाज जस्ट बाय चांस, अरे वो हाथ कैसे रहेगा, तब्बू रख दो हाथ, तो रख दिया। क्या लोगों को पसंद आता है, तो आई होप लेडीज़ को पसंद आए, मेन को पसंद आए। धनिया
कास्टिंग इज डन राइट देन हाफ ऑफ योर बैटल इज वॉन। एक बड़ा श्रीराम राघवन सर का मैं एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था, उन्होंने बड़ी अच्छी लाइन बोली थी कि ऐसा डायरेक्टर का काम एक्टर्स को डायरेक्ट करना नहीं, उनका काम ऑडियंस को डायरेक्ट करना है।
बट आई हैव बिकम अ ग्रैंडफादर, आई वांट माय ग्रैंडडॉटर टू सी अ साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक। So that sound of music should be there to show.
अभी तक दैट फोटोग्राफी वाला सीन जो गुल्लक का है उसमें आई स्टिल गेट मैसेजेस कि मतलब मैं अपने फादर को कभी हग नहीं कर पाया था, एंड थैंक यू कि इस वजह से देन आई ट्राइड।
One of the greatest compliments I have received, Palash, for my movies is one gentleman met me at Liberty. He says, Suraj, when we see your film, my BP goes down.
अरे वाह।
But if you talk of Salman Bhai, there was, we were 21, 22, there was no prem, we just sketched it all together.
एक लव स्टोरी ब्लूम कर रही है, मैंने प्यार किया में कुछ भी नहीं है। आइडली अगर अभी इस तरह की कहानी आप किसी को मैं पिच करने जाऊंगा तो बोलोगे 20 मिनट में डालो कि क्या होने वाला है फिल्म में, लेकिन ये सारे जो नॉर्म्स हैं, सारे फार्मूलाज हैं, सब वो ब्रेक करती है। प्योर इमोशन से, कन्विक्शन से बनाई गई फिल्म है, इट वर्क्स वंडर। हम पल्प फिक्शन की बात करते हैं, ब्रेक्स ऑल द नॉर्म्स, हमारे पास वो ये है।
It's there. I agree with you on
So, as a director, this misconception that director is, that I am the king, it makes no sense. A director is there to give direction. He has to be a leader who takes the best work. Director should never think कि director वो होता है जो it's all perspiration. Direction is perspiration to the dot.
As a journalist, I live for days like these when I get to talk to prolific directors. Hi, my name is Hesha Chima, and joining me here for a conversation is today somebody who everybody loves and adores, Suraj Barjatya ji. And of course, we have someone who's definitely going to reach there super soon because of the way he's been directing his shows and projects. Palash Vaswani, thank you so much for joining us. You know, I am so happy कि मुझे आप दोनों से आज बात करने मिल रहा है about something which talks about in your particular show going back to the roots. Being a part of this generation, I feel कि कहीं ना कहीं it's faded out. You know, whether it is our relationships, most importantly that, whether it is our marriages, everything. And you've been an epitome of making people realize that this is what it is. Don't forget your roots. And Palash, this collaboration happening with Suraj Barjatya ji, I feel it's going to be a visual treat for a lot of people to watch. What I do want to start off this conversation with actually you, Palash. I want to understand, there's this beautiful dialogue in the trailer जो मैंने देखा है, where very relatable for all the women watching out there, and you exactly know what I'm talking about. It's that gulab and dhania वाला dialogue कि गुलाब देने वाले तो कहीं लड़के मिल जाते हैं, but जो धनिया लाते हैं, those are keepers. Do you feel, you know, when you're directing a scene like that, you know this is going to make it in your trailer, or do you sort of know that this is that impact that is actually going to cause? Like, as a director, do you think with that sharp eye?
I don't think so. You know, all the credit goes to the writers also.
Yeah.
You know, Manaswi and Vidit, who have written these wonderful lines. One thing which attracts me, I would say, is relatability. और जब ये line मैं सुना तो मैंने बोला यार, this is something very relatable to me, and it is also very rooted, you know.
Yeah.
So if it is striking a chord with every one of us, I am excited, Sir is excited. Yeah. Even when the actors, you know, when we did the table read, and they were very happy about this line, कि कितनी अच्छी line है. So we know that somewhere it is, you know, landing, and now we hope so. I'm very happy the response that we are getting, you know, on the trailer.
Landed. That line is like, oh my God, मुझे पूछना ही है, and I'm sure हजारों लोगों ने पूछा होगा, but I'm like, this laid that impact that you know what you want to watch it, and it brings it back जो आप लोग दिखाना चाहते हैं, which is bringing it and going back to the roots.
आपने जो धनिया का लाइन वर्ड कहा, मतलब it's such a big good validation for us. बिकॉज मैंने हमेशा देखा है कि हम लिखते तो बहुत सारे लाइंस हैं, और कभी कभी ये भी लगता है पलाश कि ये तो क्लैप होगा, जैसे फिल्मों में होता है कि ये तो हमको क्लैप, पता चला वहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं होता, पता चला कुछ और पसंद आ गया। एक फिल्म मैंने बनाई थी हम साथ साथ हैं, तो उसमें पलाश बाकी तो सब चीज़ें ठीक थी, बट एक चीज़ जो सबको पसंद आई वो था कि तब्बू ना ऐसे हाथ रख देती है उसके हाथ के, और नाउ इट वॉज जस्ट बाई चांस, अरे वो हाथ कैसे रहेगा, तब्बू रख दो हाथ, तो रख दिया। बट क्या लोगों को पसंद आता है, तो आई होप लेडीज़ को पसंद आए, मेन को पसंद आए धनिया. सो डे इज मेड टुडे.
Yeah, now we are going to go back this generation and tell
Yeah,
everybody भाई धनिया
धनिया
लाओ, गुलाब नहीं चाहिए हमें. But you know, sir, I have to ask you this: writing, as a writer, writing is a very lonely process. You're in your own zone, but direction is the exact opposite. You know, जब आप set पे होते हैं, you are interacting with not just your artists, but a whole bunch of people who are on the set. So tell me, still after so many years, how are you nurturing the writing part of it and the directing part of it?
See, as myself, Palash is almost there, almost like that only I have seen. But writing, as a writer, I work a lot with my assistants. I don't write solo. I used to, but then I realized I want constant bouncing boards. And क्योंकि मैं प्योर फैमिली लिखता हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू नो तुम्हारी फैमिली में क्या हुआ मेरे, बिकॉज मुझे किरदारों को ना ज्वलंत करना है, रियल करना है. सो राइटिंग आई डू लाइक दिस, एंड एज ए डायरेक्टर विच आई नो Palash also follows, and good directors all do this, and we prepare a lot.
Yeah.
I prepare, I don't allow, because मेरे साथ ना मेरे फिल्मों में रहा है कि 40 एक्टर्स रहे हैं एक साथ.
Yeah.
And unless I know exactly what one is doing, they can catch me.
Yes.
So I see to it that I do. So हम स्क्रिप्ट्स में ना Palash कई बार लिखते हैं रिएक्शन. तो मैं पहले सोचता हूँ रिएक्शन क्या होगा. आई डोंट लेट ए रिएक्शन गो. नॉर्मली हाउ वी राइट, ये डायलॉग हो गया Palash का, सूरज रिएक्ट्स, आगे चलो. नो, ये रिएक्शन क्या होगा. तो द ब्यूटी लाइज इन दैट रिएक्शन. दैट इज वेयर द डायरेक्टर स्टेप्स इन. सो आई प्रिपेयर अ लॉट.
Palash, if I were to ask you, as a director, what do you aspire to do between action and cut from your artists? What do you want to remove from them at that point as a director?
See, I must say, I am, as a director, what I
Yeah.
see in an actor, कि if the casting is done right, you know, जो जैसे सुरभि ऋषभ का जो भी कैरेक्टर दिखा था, even what Jamil sir is playing, and everyone, they are wonderful actors.
Yeah.
If the casting is done right, then half of your battle is won.
Yeah.
I just have to, you know, be there when we are doing reading, और उनको सही से I need to give them that space so they thrive. You know? And they have to internalize it. And with all our actors, and especially the younger lot, Aisha and Hrithik who are playing the lead, they are wonderful. They are young, but they are very mature.
Yeah.
So क्या होता है ना कि it's a very collaborative process. It's a very collaborative process. छोटा सा example है कि if you see the first episode, so Aisha is reading अमृता प्रीतम. अब हम जब राइटिंग चल रही थी तो हम सोच रहे थे कुछ ये ना हिंदी कविताएं पढ़ती है. तो एक महादेवी वर्मा था मेरा, हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे. एंड वी बाउंडेड ऑफ टू आयशा, शी सेड कि आई लाइक अमृता प्रीतम. तो इट्स अ गुड आइडिया. जब उसको एज अ कैरेक्टर उसको अगर वो पसंद है और एज एन एक्टर भी पसंद है तो अपने आप अच्छा मैच है.
Right.
तो शी वुड डेफिनेटली, यू नो, रिलेट टू इट मोर नेचुरली. तो हम बिकॉज ऑफ आयशा देन वी इंटीग्रेटेड अमृता प्रीतम. तो अगर ये कोलैबोरेशन का एक फील रहे ना, तो they have that sense of ownership and they believe that they are, you know, those characters.
Yeah.
So फिर I just have to be there कि यार ये वो एक बड़ा श्रीराम राघवन सर का मैं एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था. उन्होंने बड़ी अच्छी लाइन बोली थी कि ऐसा डायरेक्टर का काम एक्टर्स को डायरेक्ट करना नहीं, उनका काम ऑडियंस को डायरेक्ट करना है. तो I truly believe that, you know.
Wow, now very deep, huh?
Palash is much more patient. I have seen much more patient, gives more freedom than me as a director. I tend to be myself a little more, but it's something
Sir is
very
being
good.
very modest.
No,
I'll tell
no.
you.
Honestly, you are much more. It's different, but you know, to allow, and this I find with a lot of young makers, they allow collaboration.
Yeah.
I'm at a school, you know, where जैसे हमने सोचा है वैसा होना चाहिए.
Right.
But this is a different school. There younger people making.
But sir has given me full freedom. जो मैं बार-बार बोल रहा हूँ, it's a dream come true because of the legendary status, and you know we have learned a lot from his cinema.
Yeah.
But at the same time, when you're working with him, एक डर रहता है ना कि कहीं मतलब आप बहुत ज़्यादा वो ना हो कि ऐसा करना है. आप हमेशा, क्योंकि पहली बार आप जानते नहीं हो, जब फर्स्ट टाइम, then when the whole process began and he gave me so much freedom. आप छोटा सा एकदम सर शूट पे आते थे. And so we are there and sir used to just sit there and observe. Never once he told me कि पलाश ये ऐसा शॉट क्यों लगाया है, ये इस तरीके से रिएक्ट क्यों कर रहा है. आई यूज्ड टू गो देयर कि थोड़ा सा कि सर मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. तो सर ने कम्प्लीटली शोन दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रस्ट एंड यू नो गिवन मी सो मच फ्रीडम. और ये रिजल्ट है कि शायद से आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दिस शो. सर इज़ वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दिस शो. and generally we feel that we have done something good.
Yeah, I feel we're all, and आप लोग शायद agree भी करेंगे, because I feel we're all different generations sitting here. I'm a 90s kid myself, and I have grown up watching the kind of cinema that you've made. And today when I go back, and I'm looking at कि ये चल क्या रहा है, nanoship, situationship, ये क्या है? Like I want that love, which is that prem wala love, and
endless romance.
yeah, I want that romance, so that's why the Dhanya line clicked very much with me. But I also want to ask you, do you feel shows like this, or the kind of films that you make, somewhere down the line they will strike up, these conversations, जो बोलते हैं ना dinner table conversations, will they strike those? Do you think it will lead to a societal impact that somewhere down the line our generation does need? Do you feel that?
I strongly feel, because today when I meet someone, they remember my movies down the line. 40 years मैंने प्यार किया, 35 years हम आपके हैं कौन, 30 years हम साथ साथ हैं, 25 years विवाह. So why are these films yet popular today? Because I think there is a generation which is asking the next generation to see this.
Correct.
Like I took my son to see Star Wars. I took my daughter to see the Lion King.
Yeah.
Because I want them to see good things. So I feel this surely is necessary. Whether it will strike a conversation or don't know, but today at my age, I really want to do more of this.
Yeah.
Because I feel responsible that today I have become a grandfather. I want my granddaughter to see A Sound of Music.
Yeah.
So that Sound of Music should be there to show. So I think that will, and Bada Naam Karenge is, I'll give a lot of credit to Sony Live, because they were very clear. They called me and they said, Suraj ji, we want a Rashtriya show. We want to bring Viva Hum Saath Saath audience onto the OTT platform. We want to broaden the base, and it should be from a younger perspective.
Yeah.
So that younger perspective is what he has brought, and he has brought younger not only to the youngsters, but also to the elders.
Right.
His elders are so good on social media. His elders are so good. They accept so many things which my characters would be yet judgmental about. So I think it's been a wonderful collaboration between the two of us. So when he says I allow, I said you're helping take the Rashtriya a little forward, modern, which is good.
Yeah. So that collaboration that you're talking about, I feel that comes out in another scene which I saw in the trailer, जहाँ पे वो कहते हैं कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, and they're like, हम तो जानते हैं ना हमारी बेटी कैसे है. So that's a shift, because earlier I feel our parents would be more worried about what society would say. But now it's like if the parents know their kids, that's more satisfactory. Do you also think that these conversations can lead to some sort of a societal impact with a show like that?
No, it happens. I've seen with my previous shows, and I have got those messages where these kids are crying, and they have sent me अभी भी तक that photography वाला scene जो गुल्लक का है, उसमें I still get messages कि मतलब मैं अपने फादर को कभी हग नहीं कर पाया था, and thank you कि इस वजह से then I tried. So of course it makes that impact, and not on a bigger level, but heart maybe if you feel something.
A good film, a good show, a good web series, a good book, it's all therapy.
Absolutely.
Therapeutic.
Absolutely.
Even if they feel happy and they कुछ worry भूल चुके हैं, and they are feeling very, it helps a lot.
One of the greatest compliments I have received, Palash, for my movies is one gentleman met me at Liberty. He says, Suraj, when we see your film, my BP goes down.
अरे वाह. अरे वाह.
So I feel so grateful. मैं विवाह में गया मैम, तो there was a lot of Muslim ladies. I cannot forget that face of that lady. I was standing at the gate. She saw me. She opened hijab. She looked at me. Thank you, and she put it down. Now, why would someone do it unless they trust and they really want to say it?
Yes.
So I think these are this only comes out of if we are able to connect to that basic good emotion, show goodness.
Yeah.
Because that should be.
Right. Speaking of Viva as well, I feel there are a couple of things I want to talk about that as well. One, so beautiful that Shahid just organically walked in to meet you. That was so sweet. When we saw that happening, I was like, lovely. And second is sort of funnier note I want to understand. आपको पता है वो जल वाले जो memes है, जल लेंगे, वो अभी भी trend होते हैं. It's so relatable even in today's day and age. And we always say that whatever is a meme right now, it's popular. आपको पता है सब चीज़ों के
Yeah,
बारे
yeah,
में? You are aware?
Yeah.
But okay, tell me a little bit about when you see like this, what do you go back and think यार ये क्या हो रहा है? Or do you feel like कि चलो अच्छा है किसी ना किसी तरीके से तो resonate हो रहा है?
हाँ मतलब even if it's been spoken about, it's credit to Viva and the credit to the moment. Otherwise, there's so many things to talk about.
Yeah.
But like Palash has put in this film,
Yeah.
like what he believes as a director, he is there.
Yeah.
That's why a director ka perspective is so important and should be allowed. When I made Viva, I was told ये कौन से ज़माने की पिक्चर है, ये कौन से ज़माने की गर्ल है, ये कहाँ होता है ऐसे कौन. But I knew that world.
Yeah.
I have seen that world, I have lived that world, and I know कि there is a girl like that. And if you go to Mathura, you will find the Radha Rani के शरण में the purity is there. And I wanted a boy like Shahid to find a girl कि ऐसी भी होती है क्या, जिससे मैं छत पे बुलाने के लिए भी मैं सोचूं तुझे सही गलत तो नहीं. So that comes out of the purity of a jal.
Right.
So I made her say it, and credit to Amrita, she said it.
Yeah.
Otherwise she could have told me, Surajji, what is, they trusted me, they were youngsters. So I think it is, that's where Palash is, when he says I give him freedom, I said no, you do yours, because it should be a Palash Vaswani show.
Right.
Of course, as a showrunner, I take the responsibility.
Correct.
That the show should be what Sony delivered, but it is a director.
Absolutely. But you know, I also have to bring this up when it comes to specific castings जो आपने किया. मतलब शायद ने उसके बाद विवाह जैसा रोल किया ही नहीं है. You know, he's just been in a different spree altogether, including Salman. You know, they've been actors who you've looked at it from a very different vision. Tell me a little bit about that process as well.
I make films what the world I've lived in. And जहाँ मैंने ना वो बनाना चाहा जो मैं नहीं हूँ, those films have not worked. मैंने बनाई कम है, but it's clear that हाँ जब भी मैंने I tried to impress an audience, I failed.
Yeah.
So I have made characters which I've entered. So whether it is Viva का भोलापन of Shahid या सलमा भाई ने जो बनाए characters, तो this is essentially me, and they trusted. Today if I go to Salman bhai, he says सूरज वही बनाएंगे. Because he says वही बनाएंगे because वो जीना चाहता, वो मुझे बाहर मिलता नहीं है.
But आपको casting कैसे सूझी? जब उस टाइम पे शायद आप maybe Shahrukh is the romantic hero, so you would probably want to cover. You've done a very breaking the stereotype casting. I want to know a little bit about that.
I take the chances and I just trust my instinct. But if you talk of Salman bhai, there was we were 21, 22, there was no prem, we just sketched it all together.
Yeah.
So, and then when you work with someone for so many years, then you just, you know, that person can deliver so much. So I never had the chance to work with anyone else.
Yeah.
But yet, I broke all casting so many times, different, because I wanted to just get a new perspective, get a new feel to it, and I trust instinct more than any mathematics or what else.
Absolutely. You know, Palash, coming to you, tell me as a director, do you feel external validation, whether it's in terms of streaming numbers or let's say box office, how important is that? Or does not take precedence over the love from the audience? Where are you on that graph? आपको क्या लगता है?
नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं तो you seek that validation.
Right.
That is the truth. If I say I don't seek that, we all seek that validation. But at the same time, there are these stories which become a little timeless sort of. After certain months or certain years, they have certain, you know, they have gained popularity, और जो उस टाइम शायद से काम नहीं किया होगा, but अभी वक्त तो आप कहीं ना कहीं strike, you know, that balance.
Right.
कि जो भी मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ एटलीस्ट, या जो कहानियाँ मैं इस टाइम पे चुन रहा हूँ, वो ये है कि आई शुड बिलीव इट एज सच इट, कि वो बिलीव करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देर आर सर्टन, मैं किस तरीके से आई लुक एट स्टोरीज, मेरे लिए कैरेक्टर्स कितने इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, और रिलेटेबिलिटी मेरे लिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इवन इट्स दिस शो का कैनवस इज बिग.
राइट.
गुल्लक वाज एक लोअर मिडिल क्लास की कहानी. यहाँ पे हम देर आर टू फैमिलीज, वन इज अपर मिडिल क्लास एंड वन इज अच्छा खासा रिच. सो इवन दैट रिलेटेबिलिटी हैज़ टू बी देयर. जो मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे जो इवन द रिच, व्हाट आई सी लॉट ऑफ यू नो फिल्म्स एंड टेलीविजन, और जितना भी कंटेंट आ रहा है वो उनसे मैं रिलेट नहीं कर पाता, क्योंकि मैंने वो देखे नहीं, वो होते हैं करेक्ट, बट हमारे सर्कल में नहीं है वो. हम जहाँ स्कूलिंग करिए ना, वो ये
अग्रीड. मुझे उनका तो पुअर भी रिच ही लग रहा होता है.
अब क्या जिनके साथ बहुत रईस है, जिनके साथ हम भी पढ़े, स्कूल में थे, उनके घर जाते थे, जब वो घर आते थे तो मेरी माँ हमेशा बोलती थी कि देखो इतना रिच है लेकिन हमारे पैर पड़ रहा है कितना। क्या हम उन लोगों की कहानी बोले जो एक बहुत बड़ा मतलब पॉपुलेशन जो एग्जिस्ट करती है उनके बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा है। तो एक ये भी था, जब सर ने मुझे कहानी बताई तो मैंने बोला अरे मुझे तो गोल्ड माइन मिल गई, ये तो इन लोगों की कहानी है।
हाँ।
तो वो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है। तो आप जब आप इतने दिल से कुछ चीज़ करना चाह रहे हैं तो एक वैलिडेशन भी है और एक थोड़ा सा ना वो ट्रैवल करे वो कहानी, वो थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं ना कि एज नहीं हो, आप आज से 10 साल बाद भी देखो तो आप थोड़ा सा प्राउड फील करो कि यार कोई अच्छा काम किया है।
Now in that sense, so you have sir here, so you there. His relatability is going on for decades, which is a
I
great
have to
thing.
keep on saying कि this is my tribute to मैंने प्यार किया because I love that film.
Lovely. Yeah, us too. You know, मैंने प्यार किया reminds me of the 80s where there was a whole culture of piracy. इतना ज़्यादा video piracy बढ़ गया था. I think लोग theatres में जाना बंद कर चुके थे. But then there came a मैंने प्यार किया, and I think by the third or the fourth day, what my research tells me and what I remember is that people went, watched, and it became what it did become. What did you do differently to bring back theatres, let's say?
Precisely what that time was very low, not only for our films but also maybe for Basu Chatterjee sir film, Gulzar sir film, मतलब ऋषि दास film, जो हम सब फैमिली पे सब घर पे बैठे थे। तो मुझे क्लियरली याद है मैं डायरेक्ट करना चाहता था, तो मेरे घर पे बात हो रही थी, मेरे ताऊ जी ने कहा कि अभी लास्ट अर्ली 80s में ना 2 हॉलीवुड में हिट हुई पिक्चर है, एक सैटरडे नाइट फीवर और एक ग्रीस। यंग है, म्यूज़िक के लिए इसको बोलो यंग बनाने को कोई पिक्चर। सो माय फादर से यंग बनाएंगे एंड देन वील गिव इट ऑल,
Right.
we'll go straight for musical because young banao to then music, love story music, and we'll put up the set, we'll put up a grand show, and we'll go for stereophonic sound, we'll bring back 4-track stereo, how to bring the audience in. So I think that was the whole concept कि कुछ नया करें। तो we had all the cinemas do 4-track, we cleaned screens, we redid the chairs, which we did in a bigger scale in हम आपके कौन, to bring across today the cinemas। So उस ज़माने में नहीं था वैसा।
Correct.
So that's how it was focused to make it or break it. It was that kind of a mission that we, unfortunately the songs became hit, the hero heroine और मतलब we all took off.
So you are a pioneer in bringing theatres back, and I feel after COVID, we are still somewhere oscillating, and we are hoping. And I think उस वजह से कहीं ना कहीं एक जो कहते हैं re-releases का trend आया है. And Palash, let me ask you, which movie of Suraj Ji's you would like to re-release in the theatre if that ever happens? And then I'm going to ask you also, आपको अपने इतने में से एक pick करनी पड़ेगी.
नहीं, मैं ये 2 फिल्में हैं जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मैंने प्यार किया, हम आपके कौन। ये मैं डेफिनेटली आई वांट बिकॉज आई वुड टेल यू व्हाई। आई वाज अराउंड, इट वाज रिलीज इन 89 आई थिंक, 89 हाँ 89। मैं कुछ 5-6 साल का रहा होगा मैंने प्यार किया में, और हम आपके कौन में थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया था। तो 5-6 साल में तो यू डोंट रिमेंबर द स्टोरी एंड यू नो उतनी डिटेलिंग याद नहीं रहती, बट आई रिमेंबर द कम्युनिटी एक्सपीरियंस। कि फैमिली बैठी है, आसपास लोग हैं, हंस रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं, आपको भीड़ दिख रही है। तो वो अभी भी मतलब मैं जब अगर मैंने प्यार किया मैं टीवी पे देख रहा हूँ तो मेरे को ना वो पॉपकॉर्न की स्मेल आती है, मुझे वो चेयर होती है,
गेटी गैलेक्सी के
समोसे अब वो जो थिएटर पुराने होते थे उनकी एक सीट में एक अजीब सी एक स्मेल होती थी ना,
और टिंग टिंग
फोम वाली टिंग। तो वो एक हैप्पी मेमोरी है जिससे ना आप रिलेट करते हो। तो वो मेरे लिए वो बहुत मतलब ऐसा है कि यार ये चीज़ें लोगों को देखनी चाहिए जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस करी है, वो शायद से वो अभी करे कि नहीं करें। तो हम आपके कौन, तो मैं कुछ 5-6 बार तो मैं थिएटर में गया था देखने के लिए, और 1 साल तक मुझे याद है राज टॉकीज़ में हम आपके कौन लगी थी, हम जाते थे देखने के लिए। तो ये सब एक्सपीरियंस है जो शायद से अभी लोग नहीं कर पाते, तो they have to watch it. And one more thing, if you have time, I would
absolutely have all the
these
time.
two film जो हम इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा की बात करते हैं, हम स्ट्रक्चर्स की बात करते हैं, अगर आप ये देखोगे ये दोनों फिल्में ये कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो नहीं करती हैं दोनों फिल्में। जो फर्स्ट एक्ट है, फर्स्ट एक्ट में जो प्लॉट पॉइंट आता है वो इसका क्लाइमैक्स है दोनों फिल्मों का। अगर अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये फिल्म स्टडी करनी चाहिए कि व्हाई इट वर्क्स, क्योंकि फर्स्ट 2 आवर्स आर जस्ट सेटअप। एक लव स्टोरी ब्लूम कर रही है, मैंने प्यार किया में कुछ भी नहीं है। आइडली अगर अभी इस तरह की कहानी आप किसी को मैं पिच करने जाऊँगा तो बोलोगे 20 मिनट में डालो कि क्या होने वाला है फिल्म में। लेकिन ये सारे जो नॉर्म्स हैं, सारे फॉर्मूलाज हैं, सब वो ब्रेक करती है। प्योर इमोशन से, कन्विक्शन से बनाई गई फिल्म, इट वर्क्स वंडर। हम पल्प फिक्शन की बात करते हैं कि ब्रेक्स ऑल द नॉर्म्स, हमारे पास वो ये है,
इट्स देयर। आई एग्री विद यू ऑन दैट।
तो वो ऐसे देखते हो बोलते ये कैसे, क्योंकि कुछ फॉलो नहीं कर रही है। इंसाइटिंग इंसिडेंट जो आप बोलते हो वो उतना स्टार्टिंग में हुआ, वो फादर सुमन को लेके आता है, उसके बाद जो प्लॉट पॉइंट 1 आना चाहिए सिटफील्ड के हिसाब से वो क्लाइमैक्स में आता है सीधा। तो वो कमाल है ये सब।
सर आपको बोलूँ तो एक पिक करनी हो इतने
मैंने प्यार किया हैज़ बीन री-रिलीज्ड, हम आपके कौन हो गया, नाउ हम साथ साथ इज ड्यू. So I'm very curious to know how this would work, because on television Hum Saath Saath is a very big hit. Much at that time when it was released, it was only 60% of Hum Aapke Kaun. It was not that big. Over the years, ये तो सच है कि भगवान है, the something in that movie keeps coming. So I'm very curious to know how the audience will take to it in cinemas.
Absolutely, I think that is something that even we'd like to see now, when the generation I feel is somewhere down the line getting back there also. You know, if I were to ask you both of you all as directors, you know, what do you all think is one misconception about directors that you all would like to bust today for me? Palash, you want to take it first? He's smiling at me from wide apart.
मिसकंसेप्शन बोलो या अगर मैं ये पोर्ट्रेयल इस तरीके से, आई डोंट वांट डायरेक्टर्स टू गेट पोर्ट्रेड इज कि यू नो मैंने बोला तो ऐसा हो गया. फिल्म मेकिंग इज़ अ वेरी कोलैबोरेटिव प्रोसेस, सो दैट कोलैबोरेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड मतलब कोई भी अच्छा डायरेक्टर मैं बोलूँगा या फिल्म मेकर या इवन जो कहानियाँ हम देखते हैं विच वर्क्स, मतलब बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ है जो ऑन पेपर नहीं होंगे, वो हमेशा करते 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 वो अपने आप. जैसे इसमें छोटा एग्जांपल है कि जो ताईजी का कैरेक्टर है, अलका मैम इज़ नॉट हियर टुडे, शी इज़ अ वंडरफुल एक्टर अलका मैम. तो जो हमने लिखा था वो कैरेक्टर हम शूट कर रहे थे, तो जो परफॉर्मेंस निकल के आ रहा था वो एक फील है कि यहाँ पे कुछ और चाहिए. मैंने सर से बात करी, वो राइटिंग में जो है उसमें कुछ हमने लाइनें ऐड करी और क्लाइमैक्स में वो लाइन डाली, इट वर्क्स वंडर. सो आप डिस्कस भी कर रहे हो, जैसे मैं आपको आयशा का भी बता रहा था कि शी सेड कि यार मैं ये करती हूँ. चलते चलते मतलब बहुत बार होता है कि मेरी कंटिन्यूटी एडी बैठी है, प्रीति या मुशीर आया जो मेरा एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर था, शिव ने कभी कुछ बोला जो डीओपी था, तो आप कहीं ना कहीं, या गौरव जो एडिटर है, मैंने मतलब हमारे 3 सीन थे लीनियर, एक होता है फिर ये होता है, उसने तीनों को नॉन लीनियर बना के एक कुछ बनाया जो ना हमने लिखा था ना सोचा था. तो वो स्पेस देना बहुत ज़रूरी है जहाँ पे सबको लगे कि इट इज़ यू नो आवर वर्क, इट इज़ नॉट Palash's work only.
Basically operating not from your ego at all.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work
like that.
I would say if I do that, so that's the downfall of what I'm doing.
That becomes blowing your own trumpet sort of a situation. I think very good misconception you busted. So would you like to add to something like this?
I totally agree, because if I look back what Palash has said, I started with Maine Pyar Kiya. Today a lot of them are no more, but I cannot take away the credit of Ram Lakshman ji, my father, or Asad Bhopali, lyric writer, my DOP, Ajit Vachani ji, Lakshmikant Bade, Reema ji, they made the film. I can tell you when he was talking, I was remembering, ये तो उनका एडिशन था, ये तो उनका गाना था, ये तो उनकी ट्यून थी, बालू जी, लता जी. So as a director, this misconception that director is, that I am the king, it makes no sense. A director is there to give direction. He has to be a leader who takes the best work. So he has to be a teams person. And another one thing which I want to just say is that a lot of people say directors back on inspiration. A lot of people, they say we do short division on the sets. Some of them say we write on the set. But that is not a true director writes maybe the 101st version on the set. A director goes through a lot. So new directors should never think कि director वो होता है जो it's all perspiration.
Correct.
Direction is perspiration to the dot.
Wow, direction is perspiration. You know, before I wrap this, I have 2 important questions to ask you, and it's very important I bring this up because, of course, you won a national award for Uchai, a film that I love, which I was telling you just before this interview as well. And we saw you working with Mr. Bachchan. You worked with him before in the 70s, Saudagar.
Yeah, that my father.
Yes, but you were he was under your banner. He was there, but now he's the Bachchan. Like when you did Uchai, how has that process been like with Mr. Bachchan, with you?
I mean, that was when Bachchan sir told yes and that was in full COVID. That was one of the reasons I did the film, because to work with him for 68 days was magical in itself, and the experience you have to work with him to come to know, because he even to sit next to him when he hears a scene he doesn't blink. That itself is very scary.
Yeah.
But when you sit with him alone, he speaks to you about his father, the poetry, and one very important point is Palash, he respects the writer more than the director. He will have a pencil and he will ask कि what have you thought as a writer, and कई बार तो मैं भूल ही गया मैंने क्यों लिख दिया वर्ड. अपन लिख देते हैं ना कोई भी, ये वर्ड के पीछे क्या मंशा है, तो सोच के आना पड़ता है कि क्या था. कई बार तो मैंने बोल दिया सर मैंने तो लिख दिया, आप ही मीनिंग रखो. नो, व्हाट डू यू वांट, एंड यू कैन नॉट write anything for granted. He will question.
Yeah.
So to working with him keeps you on the edge, and gives you the importance. Oh, the writer is so important.
Right.
It better be correct. It better be good, because there is a number one actor of the country is noticing what you are writing,
Yes.
and he wants to say it in the manner you have written.
Yeah.
So that is something I learned from him, and I mean that's Bachchan sir.
Yeah.
So that's Unchai is actually belongs to him.
And to you also, both of you. But he is that person, because I remember when I met him for the first time and I said, hello sir, I'm Hesha. His instant thing was कि अर्थ क्या है आपके नाम का?
देखिए
And
ये,
I was like, wow, you went that deep, you know. I was like, sir, thanks, you heard me, but okay. Lastly, I want to ask you, and I'm sure Palash will agree with me on this. Please ask sir with me while I'm asking, and I'm doing this on behalf of everybody watching. इतना time क्यों sir? इतने gaps क्यों है releases में आपके?
अभी-
आज उसको अब address कर ही दो.
No, it is just that I'm a very selfish director, because जब I feel I am ready, then I do. That's one promise I had given to myself when I started out, that whatever it is, you have to be the best from my sake. So then that's why I've done less. I write myself, I live myself, which a lot Palash does. And then when a project like Bada Naam Karenge comes, where we have to start a new part of our journey, so then it takes time, and then I want to give it time, because मैं प्यार भी तो बढ़ता है. That's why there are some directors who do 2 things at a time. I always say no. प्यार बटेगा. Director cannot. Now today is 2 years he's on this.
Yeah.
That's why this is possible. So you do 3-4 things, then you are.
Phases out, right.
That's it.
Palash, please tell all the audiences why they should be watching what you've directed for them in a sentence.
See, in a sentence, I would say कि it's it's again a story, a love story, a family story, and a story which is going back to its roots, and that sort of nostalgic stories जिसको देख के हम बड़े हुए हैं ना, मैंने प्यार किया, DDLJ, वो सब कहानियाँ मिसिंग हैं. So it is somewhere we are doing the same thing, and love is in the forefront, but of course there is family which is important.
Yeah.
And there is one thing which is very, very essential is relatability.
Absolutely.
People of all age will relate to it, the show, and they will love it.
Well, on that note, thank you so much for such a wonderful conversation. It was a pleasure talking to the both of you. I'm looking forward to what you all have presented for all of us to watch. And thank you for taking us back to the roots.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.